Hey guys, today we're going to be grading more passports. Yes. Import bringing us trade sanctions. Immediately rejects all imports from Arstotzka. December 11th, 1982. Okay, it's Sergiu. Inspector, import rejects all import. Thank you for yesterday. My aim is not like before. Import rejects. Under request of the Ministry of Trade, the Ministry mission will reactivate by denial travelers from import. This is hilarious. So I challenged my mom to name all countries in Arstotzka. In Papers, Please, because Arstotzka is a country. And the only one she couldn't name was import. Next. Papers, please. Dude, no entry from import. Importers are prohibited from entering. Next. Papers, please. No entry from import. Next. Papers. Hey, I know you. Are you from Nurse? I worked with your father for many years. You were such a little brat. I go back to Nurse and tell them you are doing well here. Next. Papers, please. It will be 6 months. What are you doing for 6 months? Working? Let's see. Vedder, I know that's one. Cause no trouble. Next. Papers, please. Visit for up to date. Cause no trouble. Next. Papers, please. Come for visit. For a few weeks. Yep. Watch there be something wrong. That's super obvious. Okay, it's Everything's set up. I come through often. We become good friends. Your weight is different. Is sad story. My wife very bad cook. But if I do not eat, she get angry. Face the scanner. Uh-oh, maybe you not like this. What is this? Georgie, what is this? It's drugs. I have a little side business here. You let me through and I give you something. Something what? It's 10 gears for a stamp. Almost gave you room. Okay. We go full speed. Next. Not possible, smuggler. Visiting relatives for a few weeks. You do not have an insurance here. Valid. 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 There is a discrepancy here. Please let me through. Wait here. What are you doing? Next. Papers. No entry from import. Next. Papers, please. Glory to our Soska. Next. Papers, please. No entry from import. Next. Papers, please. Person's trip is immigrating. Cause no trouble. Next. Papers. Glory to our Soska. Booth upgrade available. Rulebook store pass. Your son has drawn a picture for you to take to work. I knew that crayon set was worth it. Oh hey, isn't that guy coming tomorrow? Import trades, import sanctions end. Over so fast, what happened? Oh hey, isn't that guy coming? On day 20? Oh, Did they take this off by accident? Impor has relented on their faulty policy. Emporians are now permitted entry. Divisional authority of the East Crescent. Glory to our Sosa. Well, let's see what this guy has to say. It's too early to come all the way out here. The smell of this checkpoint makes me sick. At least your performance is not terrible. You have received 14 citations. Do not slip further. Sufficiency. Again, I have old firm coming through. Prover entry. Shay Pierce Sovac. I do not want any trouble with her. Glory to our Stoska. Papers. Few weeks for visiting. There's so much stuff here. Cause no trouble. Next. Ezek. Assassin coming from Antergia will target important Ezek agent in Ursoska. Must be stopped. His name is Khaled Eastom. Do not forget. Do not touch powder. Push hard to affix. Next. Papers, please. You Khaled. Expiration dates are good. This does not sound like you. I have changed. Discrepancy cleared. Cause no trouble. Next. Papers, please. Work. Couple months. You're missing something. Oh, I forgot. There's rulebook short. Get out of the way, entry permit. I always get confused with the ID card and ID supplement. What is the supplement? Something you need at Grestin. Next. Papers. I cannot save. Maybe a few days, maybe a few weeks. You have missing required papers. I covered big story. Give me visa stamp. I have every right. Sure, I'll give you visa stamp. The red and blue ones. This press pass means nothing. Oh shoot! I'm forgetting about Khaled Eastom. Well, you're not Khaled. Where is passport? I have it here. So how long are you staying for? Just 2 days in transit? Cause no trouble. Next. Are you serious? I just checked that. You East Tom? Visiting friends? For just 2 weeks. Glorian and Turgia. And cause no trouble. Oh, you're Khaled, couple weeks. This time, Outer Groose and Turgia. Yes. Balding. Yes. Enterbite. Yes. Shoe. Next. Papers. Uh-oh. He's coughing. A guard's coming. Uh-oh, the guard's collapsing. Man, East Tom was weak. I mean, the guard was weak. They cut short. A small package arrived. Dun, 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 dun. Etergian whistleblower accepted by our move risks angering neighbors. Mysterious poison hospitalizes several. A special program for political asylum has been established. Those seeking a grant of asylum do not require entry permit or ID supplement. Please be an asylum seeker. Visit friends. Please. Cause no trouble. Next. I need to... I'm seeking asylum. Is this okay? Oh, expires. It's fine. Is this expired? Thank you. I hope that things are better here. Everything is better in Arstotzka. Papers, please. You maybe should not have come. Next. What? Give me... I have better job offer in import. Red step and I can break contract in Arstotzka. Okay, now I get free from this bad job. Thanks. Next. Whatever. Eight weeks. You have been selected for a random search. Face the scanner. You have made a mistake coming here. Is it so obvious? Out. Next. Papers. I have only passport, but hear me out. There is little time. I come back in 3 days to promise. I give you fully digital. You hold as collateral. I will be back to pick it up. And take this. All for green stamp. Thank you. I'll come back in a few days to pick up watch. Transit. The 13th sitting. Let's see. Cause no trouble. Next. Papers, please. Purpose of the trip. Work. Oh, shoot. And I missed. The day was cut short by a terrorist attack. Your sister has been arrested. Her young daughter needs a home. Daring bike attack. Well, see you later.